are live and on the record. This is the People versus Pierre Tukwebe.
Jeanette can
I'm
answer
sorry.
on behalf of Mr. Fuquebe. Sir, say
You
your name
said
for the record.
Pierre Fruquet Bay.
okay. Calling case is 340127. Stage display, unregistered vehicle, uninsured vehicle, 124119915. Driving while license not valid, unregistered motor vehicle, uninsured motor vehicle. X1127337. Driving unregistered vehicle, no operator's license on person. 144776681, allowing another to use his own license plate. X2892546, unlawful use of license plate, no operator's license, no proof of insurance. 348977, no operator's license on person, open intoxicant in the motor vehicle. B113703, violation of parental duties. P898091, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, driving while license suspended. 1447769, no operator's license on person. 1158986, operating without a license. P808486, driving while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance. And is it correct, Mr. Fuguebe, that you would like to take the offer from the people today?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. And for the record, the offer is for you to plead to 4 counts. It'd be for 1 count of failure to display operator's license, a valid operator's license, 1 count of improper plate, 1 count of open intoxicant as a passenger, and 1 count of the parental duty violation with a 6-month delayed sentence, which means that count can be dismissed if you don't pick up any other cases. You understand
Yes.
that all?
Yes. And what do the 6 months? What do the tickets consist of?
As far as the parental duty case, are you talking
Yeah.
about?
Yes. Yeah.
So if you don't do this again, if you don't come back to court with any other misdemeanor charges in the next 6 months, I will dismiss this in 6 months.
Okay.
So it'll be in the system, automatically dismissed after 6 months, as long as you don't violate or do anything or pick up any other cases.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so the remaining counts outside of the 4 that I just mentioned will be dismissed as a result of this plea. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Nance, about your rights today?
Yes. Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No. No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes. Yeah.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes. Yeah.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I'll start with the parental duties case first. I'd like to bring your attention to on or about June 8th, 2018. You have a child or, a child that goes to or attended, what is this?
John R. King.
John King School, is that what it is?
Huh?
What's the name of the school? I can't read this.
Is it John R. King? I have 2 sons.
Yes, John R. King School in the city of Detroit.
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And is it correct that Would you permit your son to be absent from school frequently?
Me and his mother got split weeks, so he lives with her, so basically she take him to school one week, I take him to school one week, so I really don't know exactly how many days he missed.
Okay, the list 47 times absent and 94 or 97 times late to school in 1 year.
No, I don't believe that.
So is it true that you contributed to your son's consistent tardiness in school?
I would say I consist of some of his tardiness, yes.
Okay, because you have to
That's
say
right,
yes.
yeah.
If you
Huh?
want to take, I said you would have to say yes if you wanted to take the guilty plea. You have to be
Oh,
responsible.
yes.
Okay. And you said satisfied, counsel?
I did.
Okay. Moving along, I'd like to bring your attention to March 26, 2017, around 8:00 p.m. in the area of Edinburgh, Pembroke, in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2013 Dodge white vehicle.
Yes.
And did you have in your possession open alcohol?
Yes.
Satisfied? And lastly, Mr. Fuguebe, I'd like to bring your attention to February 19, 2018, around 12:30 p.m. in the area of Schaefer in Chicago, were you operating a 2010 Dodge black vehicle without a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Did you have insurance?
No.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept all of your guilty pleas and make the amendments per the offer from the prosecution and dismiss the remaining counsel for the court. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated.
Okay, Mr. Fuguebe, I have accepted your guilty pleas. Anything before sentencing?
No.
Your Honor, depending on what the costs and fees are in this case, we are asking the court to consider allowing him to do some community service before to cover the cost and fees.
Okay, typically, Mr. Fuguebe, what I've been doing during COVID-19 and what's going on with the pandemic is waiving everyone's fines and costs because of everyone's financial issues. And not making this more of a burden, especially since you're willing to take care of it and address the issues right now. My only question or concern is about your son. What is he doing now?
He actually with me. I mean, I was gonna send him to school, but I've been homeschooling him. So as far as letting him get up, huh?
I said, right, that makes sense right now.
Mm-hmm. So that's what I.
Was he enrolled in school before the pandemic started?
Yes.
Where was he enrolled?
John R. King.
Okay, so he's still there. Do you have plans on keeping him enrolled in school and then making a decision later about whether he should be going physically into school?
Yes, I had me and her already enrolled him with the tablets. We had to basically send in his information for the tablets so he could do online classes because we sent him to school before and they had to do the COVID test and I didn't want him to do that, so I just rather for him to stay home so he won't spread it to everybody else.
I understand that. What I want to do is, I'm going to waive your fines and costs, but there is one thing I want you to do. Before I close this matter out 6 months from now, I want to see some type of progress report or grade or something, curriculum or something to see what your son is up to as far as his grades and see if he's getting consistent learning every day.
Okay.
So if he's enrolled, which he should, I don't know, it's a mess right now, what's going on, so I can't require you to do too much. But if they're enrolled back in school with DPS, if he's doing remotely, I would like to see some type of progress report. It'll at least be one semester, something, okay? And what I want you to do, can you take this email address down? I'll actually put it in the chat. Do you know how to use the chat function on Zoom?
Really don't.
So I'm sending you my email address in the chat. You should see it pop up. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I see it.
Copy that and paste it into somewhere else, because it'll disappear after you hang up.
Oh yeah, it disappeared away.
You took a picture of it? You got it,
I-
Mr. Fugue?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, so, before the 6 months to the point where, I'm supposed to dismiss it, whenever you have some type of progress report or report card, send it to that email address. And once I get that, I will dismiss your case, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
All right, you are all set. Have a good rest of your day.
All right, you too.